Binary options is a form of options trading based on a single question. Did a stock, index, commodity, or Forex pair end up over the current price or not by a specific time frame, which we call our expiration? Here's how it works. Say you wanted to start trading Forex binary options, and you're looking at, well, the US dollar versus the Japanese yen. You've been taking a look at the price, and though it's sitting around the 109.191 area, or 191 for short, your analysis is telling you that within the next minute or so, the price is likely to shoot up. Now, usually to exchange the value of a currency, you'd have to travel to the country of whatever currency you're looking for and physically exchange your dollar for theirs. In this example, we're buying more of the US dollar in exchange of the Japanese yen. But here's the cool part about living in a world where technology is literally taking over everything that we do. Now we can exchange our currency rates from anywhere in which we have some access to the internet. With binary options, there are only two possible outcomes. Either the price of your traded asset, in this example, the USD versus the JPY, finishes above a specific entry price at a specific date and time, or it doesn't. So with that being said, we enter a $25 position at 109.191. with the idea that within the next 60 seconds, the contract price would be above our initial entry point. It does not matter how much above the entry price the market has reached at expiration. As long as it's higher than our buying position, we win. So let's talk about payouts. In this example, our broker is paying out 70% profit margin for the US dollar versus the Japanese yen, making our $25 contract worth $17.50. Now keep in mind, the 70% profit payout is made up of a few variables: how much the prices fluctuate, volatility in the markets, and just general market sentiment. So let's fast forward to the end of our 60 seconds. If our buy analysis came true and the price is above where we thought it would be, then guess what? We just finished in the money. There are many benefits to trading binary options. In my opinion, it's just a lot simpler to learn than most other styles of trading. IM Mastery Academy is an online educational platform with one of its main focuses being helping its members become profitable traders in the markets. That's right, people just like you watching this video right now with absolutely no idea how to trade or properly put your money to work for you in the markets are coming into our program, and in just a few weeks are able to begin developing and learning a skill that could potentially pay the bills. Now, I'm not promising you millions of dollars and stardom overnight, but I also shouldn't have to explain to you that obviously what worked 10 to 20 years ago as far as making money just simply isn't working today. There's over $1 trillion in student loan debt, and people who for years have been loyal to their workspace are being laid off on a daily basis. So it's time that we do something different. And if you aren't saving or investing your money, well, here's the truth. You have a 0% chance of creating wealth. IM Mastery Academy makes learning how to trade both easy and affordable for the average person. For a one-time payment of $234 to start and a membership of $174 a month, you get access to one of the largest online trading educational platforms in the world right now. Our High Frequency Forex Academy offers everything from a basics introduction to binary options course, understanding the markets and how they move, and even advanced strategies and techniques for you to become a better trader. And if you're more of a hands-on learner like myself, well then welcome to Go Live. Our Go Live sessions are live trading sessions that go on virtually throughout every hour of the day. So no matter what your daily schedule is looking like, you pretty much always have the opportunity to come home, kick back, and tune into a live session. Here's the cool part. Let's say for whatever reason, you had to miss today's session. Well, most of our sessions are recorded and available for playback right on your website. So not having enough time to learn how to trade is never an issue over here. And if $234 is too much for you to make an investment into your future, well, you'd have to ask yourself, is what I've been doing up until this point really working for me? Because it doesn't matter if you're 18 or 65. Learning to put your money to work for you is a skill that could benefit anyone. So if this brief overview got you thinking for even just a second of what life could look like in just a few months if this actually worked, then I want you to get back to the person that sent you this video and let them know that you are ready to get started. And don't worry, We know this is something brand new for you. So yes, we will be here to help. No, you don't have to do any research, and you don't have to be great to start, but you do have to start to be great. So with that being said, guys, this is your boy RockStarr, and as always, until next time, I'm out. Peace.